Can you find the length of mn? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. Hello guys and welcome to brand new video Mr.π, and today we are trying to solve this question from Instagram, and we have a triangle in which a quarter circle is inscribed within it. ADC is the tangent drawn to the circle and D is the point of contact of the tangent. AD is equal to 2 centimeters and DC equals to 9 centimeters. So let's begin. First of all, we will join point B and D, that is join the center of the quarter circle to the point of contact of tangent. We know a theorem that the line drawn from the center of circle to the point of contact of a tangent is perpendicular to the tangent. So this line right here will be perpendicular to AC. Now what we will do is we will try to prove that BAD and BDC are similar. For it, we must prove that its three angles are equal. So focus here. This angle right here and this right angle right here will be equal by using geometry. This is 90 here. This angle is also 90 because the other side is 90, so it is a straight line. We will do 180 minus 90. And the third angle, which is here, will automatically equal because sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And if we subtract the remaining portions, then these two angles will automatically equal. So what we have done is here we have proved that these two triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABD is similar to triangle BDC. The reason is that all the angles are equal. So now we know that if the two triangles are similar, then we can use the corresponding sides theorem. That is, the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. That is, we can write as for this angle the side is AD, and for the same angle the side is BD. Yes, BD is equal to for the for this double angle equal, we have BD upon for the other double angle we have DC. So let's assume that it has a radius of R. So AB will be equal to BD, will be equal to BC, will be equal to R. Okay, this all are R here. So AD right here will be equal to 2, BD is equal to R, BD is R, and DC is equal to 9. So we get R square is equal to 9 to the 18. So R has a value of root over 18, that is 3 9 18. Sorry, 2 9 to the 18, 9 to the 18. That is, we get a value of 3 root 2. Okay, so we have R equals to 3 root 2, and we have other R to be 3 root 2. So to find the value of Mn, we will use Pythagoras theorem. That is, Mn is equal to root over R square plus R square. That is root 3 square, that is equals to 18. 18 plus 18 is equal to root over 36. Therefore 6 unit is the required radius of, sorry, the value of Mn of this quarter circle is 6 centimeters. Thank you.